Yo, hey, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Young KD back at it again. I know it's been a little minute since I posted a video. Y'all know I had to come back and clutch with this one. Hey, I'm gonna be bringing y'all a trap preset. Let me let y'all hear what this preset sound like right now so I don't waste y'all time.
I keep it 30 on the stick. Better get down. Better get low to the ground. Glock, camera suppressor, so you know that bitch is not making a sound. Peek through your window, I'm toting extendo. Young niggas don't play, they don't flow with Nintendo. Make you get low, but we not playing limbo. Drop me a nigga like Kimbo. Young nigga getting them packs in off the boat.
Yeah, man, no cap. Y'all heard the preset. That's one of my little songs I made. The song pretty old. It's about 2021 or 2022, something like that. Hey, but let me show y'all how I got this sound on this track preset. The first thing I threw on this track preset was the tape simulator. Because on this song, I used a USB mic as usual, and it was a pretty cheap USB mic, about $25. So I'm using the tape simulator just to kind of boost the quality up, make it sound thicker and just fuller overall. So here are the settings I got. Okay, cool then, man. So after that tape simulator, it's time to go ahead and get the tone shaped out, make this vocal sound a whole lot cleaner. So I added an EQ. Y'all know I had to add that graphic EQ like always. I did a whole lot of changes to the EQ. I mean, the mic wasn't that good of a mic, so I had to make a whole lot of adjustments. I took some of that 100 hertz out, really all of it. I took some 200, 400, you know what I'm saying? We taking out mid-range, 1.6K, 3.2. And we boosting right here at 6.4K, a good bit. You might don't gotta boost this much right here. If your vocal might sound a little too forward, a little too bright, turn this 6.4K down to probably about 2. Alright gang, now that we got the EQ sounding right, we put another EQ on it, the E3M. On this EQ, all I'm doing is I'm attacking a certain frequency. Around that 2500 hertz range. If y'all watch my videos and my presets, y'all know I always do this. If y'all don't think this EQ move is making a big difference, just turn it on and off, and you'll definitely hear what it's doing. It's making the vocal sound a whole lot more smooth. So that's what I'm doing with this EQ3M, man. Yes, sir. So the next thing I added was a multi-filter. The only thing I'm doing on this multi-filter, I'm boosting the high end up some. Depending on how it sounded for your microphone, you might gotta take some highs out. If it don't sound bright enough, I will bring it up some. Y'all know I usually go with the exciter, but this gets the job done too. Hey man, so here are the settings I got right now for the multi-filter. Hey, now that we just boost them highs up, the vocals are gonna sound more essy. It's gonna sound more harsh coming through. You don't want that loud sound in your music. It's so annoying. Hey man, so I put the de-esser on. Frequency at 5533. Threshold at around -23. Hey, the de-esser definitely does help make the vocals not sound so harsh. It'll smoothen out those S's a little bit. So it is definitely an essential for mixing on Bandlab. Ain't no way around it. Okay, now that we got the vocal sounding nice and clean, it's time to add some control and keep the vocals, you know what I'm saying, more consistent. So we about to add 2 compressors. The first compressor we added was the TechLab BA2A. Here are the settings I got on that right there. What this compressor does is squashes down on the loud peaks of your songs, or your vocals I meant to say, so your vocals can all sound pretty much even in the same volume. Hey man, so here are the settings I got right now. The next compressor we added was the BL1176. Hey, we got a 4:1 ratio, a fast release, and like a medium attack. Here are the settings I got. Hey man, as always, y'all can change this up. This y'all preset to play with. I make these presets for y'all to change up. Yes sir, so after that we added some studio reverb. Get the vocals a little sauce. Y'all already know what time it is. Hey, here are the settings I got for the studio reverb. Tap in with them settings, man. No cap, no cap. Yeah, man, the last thing we added was the D-Delay Plus. This is optional on the preset. Some people say they don't like hearing echoes in their vocals. But I always tell them, you know what I'm saying, just turn the wet amount down so you don't hear it as much. Because it definitely will make the vocals fill out and sound more full. Hey, man, so here are the settings I got on the D-Delay Plus. Hey, I appreciate all y'all for tuning in today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Plenty new videos coming soon. Hey, appreciate all the support. We damn near 7,000 subscribers. Hey, let's run it up. Let's run it up.
Erica? Yeah, Erica,
I got Lucas on the track.
as always. Flooded my neck and my wrist. Flooded my neck and my wrist. Flooded my neck and my wrist. I keep it 30 on the stick. Better get down. Better get low to the ground. Glock, camera suppressor, so you know that bitch is not making a sound. Peek through your window, I'm toting extendo. Young niggas don't play, they don't fuck with Nintendo. Make you get low, but we not playing limbo. Drop me a nigga like Kimbo. Young nigga getting them packs in off the boat. That boy playing with his nose, he do coke. These nigga bitches, I see it in their face. I heard you was snitching, you helped on that case. Pull out that pole, but that boy run away. I promise I'ma get high today. We treat every day like Friday. We turned up like it's Friday. I wanna push me a Benz. Up like it's Friday. Turned up like it's Friday. I wanna push me a Benz. I wanna push me a lamb. I just dropped off a fucking brick in a ram. I got blue dream in my blunts, no runs. Fuck a little bit twice, I ain't fuck her once. They should've put a young nigga in the X Games. The way I'm pulling these stunts. The way I'm pulling these stunts. The way I'm hitting these licks. Wait, the way I'm smashing your hoe. Wait, the way I'm smashing your bitch. Wait, let's go. Let's go. Wait, the way I aim this stick. Wait, the way I shoot this bitch. Wait. Flooded my neck and my wrist. Flooded my neck and my wrist. Flooded my neck and my wrist. I keep it 30 on the stick. Better get down. Better get low to the ground. Glock, camera suppressor, so you know that bitch is not making a sound. Peek through your window, I'm toting extendo. Young niggas don't play, they don't fuck with Nintendo. Make you get low, but we not playing limbo. Drop me a nigga like Kimbo. Young nigga getting them packs in off the boat. That boy playing with his nose, he do coke. Nigga getting up, nigga getting up. Packs in off the, getting them packs in off the, getting them packs in off the boat. Packs in off the boat. That boy playing. Young nigga getting them packs in off the boat. Off the boat. Getting them packs. Young nigga getting them packs in off the boat. That boy playing with his nose, he do coke.